Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a super simple and beginner friendly 3D crochet flower. Its pattern is simple and easy, and I am using a 3mm crochet hook to make this flower and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So to begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook. After making the magic ring, you can make your base chain. So start with chain 2 and wrap the yarn. Pull the yarn through the magic ring and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and complete 12 double crochet stitches by repeating the same pattern. I have completed my 12 double crochet stitches. I am going to show you a 6 petal flower, but if you want to make a 7 petal or 8 petal flower, you can add 2 double crochet stitches. Like if you want to make 7 petal flower, you can add 2 more stitches and you can crochet 14 double crochet stitches, and for 8 petals you can make 16 double crochet stitches. Pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and go into this first double crochet stitch. Don't go into the chain 2, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch for the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, then make 6 more chains. First chain 3 is counted as our triple crochet stitch. So make chain 6 and wrap the yarn twice. Skip the second double crochet stitch, go into the third double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops, pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops to make a triple crochet stitch. Now again make chain 6 and after completing chain 6 again wrap the yarn twice, skip 1 double crochet stitch and into the next one make a triple crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops, then second 2 loops and then third 2 loops. I will show you one more time. Make chain 6, wrap the yarn twice, skip 1 double crochet into the next one, make a triple crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end. After completing this and after making the last chain 6, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now we are going to make our 3D petals. For the petals, start with chain 2 and go into this chain 6 space for our first petal and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and double crochet 9. Complete 9 double crochet stitches. After completing 9 double crochet stitches, we are going to work into this triple crochet stitch. So turn your work to this side and go through this stitch and make a double crochet stitch. This is our first double crochet. Now make double crochet 2, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and double crochet 9. So complete 9 double crochet stitches, total of 18 double crochet stitches. After completing 18 double crochet stitches, go into this next chain 6 space and pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. So now start your second petal with chain 2 again and into the same chain 6 space 9 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and double crochet 9. Complete 9 double crochet stitches and again turn your work and into this triple crochet stitch make 9 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and double crochet 9. Complete 9 double crochet stitches and into the next chain 6 space make a slip stitch. So these are the two petals. Repeat this same sequence till the end. And after completing all the petals, go into this first chain space, make a slip stitch and pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn, and now weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. So first of all, take your yarn to the back side and make a knot. Make a knot to secure your work. After making a knot, you can weave your extra yarn to some backside stitches like this. I have weaved this yarn too after making a knot. Now cut these extra yarn. So this is the 3D flower which you can use in different crochet patterns. You can add a fancy button or bead to decorate this flower in the center, and you can join this flower into different kind of crochet projects. So if you like this 3D flower, must try it. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.